Hi Emily, my name is Anaya. I'm an OTA student, and your occupational therapist Brenna, she told me that you have some visual impairments and you need help being more independent while feeding yourself, right?
Yes.
So today we're gonna do an activity and use some strategies which is gonna help you imply in your daily lives, and you're gonna it's gonna help you feed yourself on daily basis, and also it's gonna help you pour liquids into cups and mugs. So the strategy that we're going to use is a clock face method.
Okay.
So basically, it is a technique that will help you find food items on your plate using the clock method, like the numbers on the clock.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So before we start, I've made sure that we have everything that we need for this activity, and the environment is perfectly clear. And I have placed a high contrast mat and a plate in front of you. And what I want you to do first is I want you to feel around the edges of the mat. Okay, good job. And I want you to feel around the edges of the plate so that you can get an idea of how big the plate is.
Okay.
Good job. Now I have the fork on your left and knife on your right, and we have potatoes at 9 o'clock, we have bacon at 12 o'clock, and we have peas at 3 o'clock on your plate. So what do you want to eat first?
Bacon.
Bacon? Okay. So do you remember where I told you the bacon was?
12 o'clock.
Okay. So what I want you to do is place your hands like on the edge of the plate, and I want you to turn the plate until the bacon is at 6 o'clock. Right in front of you, okay? Okay, good job. Now it is right in front of you. What I want you to do is pick your fork and your knife. Okay, feel the weight. And I want you to stab the bacon and use your knife to rock and cut through the bacon until you feel the plate. Okay, good job. Now what I want you to do is I want you to scoop the piece of bacon that you cut out and feel how big it is so that you are able to eat it, and then you can eat it. Okay, good job. Okay, now for the second part of the activity, I have a piece of bread right in front of you. You can feel the edges of the bread, and other than that, I've got a container of butter at 12 o'clock right in front of you, so you can feel it. Okay, so you can feel the edges. Okay, I want you to open the container, and your knife is still at your right hand, and scoop some butter out. Hold the bread in your other hand so that you're able to put the butter on the bread. What I want you to do is start from one corner right across the bread. Good job. And from the bottom corner again to the across the bread, so that you have the butter on all the edges. You can eat it now. Good job. Now for our pouring activity, I've got a pitcher of water right in front of you. You can take your hand out and you can feel. And can you feel the edges and the spout of the jug and the handle? Can you touch the surface of the jug and tell me if the water is cold or hot?
Cold.
Okay, good. So again, I have a contrast yellow color mug, a cup right in front of you on the placemat. I want you to feel that as well. Good job. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the water into the cup. So first, I want you to place your index finger inside of your mug. Okay. So place your index finger inside it. So why we are using it, it will just help you indicate. So whenever the water touches your finger, you know that you have to stop pouring the water. So I want you to reach out for the handle of the mug and bring it closer to you a little bit, and then you can feel you can put the cup up and you can feel the spout of it, and then you can pour the water right in and stop when you feel the water on your finger. Okay, good job. So it was quite easy for you, I see, and to make it a little bit difficult for you, I have this weighted mug here, which is right in front of you. You can feel the edges. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a beeper this time. So this is a tiny device that goes on the rim of your mug, so it beeps when it has the indication that there is water in your mug. Okay, so again, I want you to reach out for your handle and grab your mug and feel the spout, so you can start pouring again and stop when you hear a beeping. See, so it beeps when it has an indication that there's too much water in your cup. So it is also very safe to use device. So whenever you're pouring hot liquids, you do not have to suddenly dip your finger in any hot liquid, which is not safe and it is really risky. So it is a very nice device, but you can always touch the pitcher before and predict that if it is cold or warm for your own safety.
Okay.
So you did a pretty good job today, and you completed all the tasks very well. I'm gonna let Brenna know that you were amazing in this session, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.